You can't defeat hunger, so outsmart it. You cannot defeat hunger using willpower, but with no power, you can outsmart hunger. Simplify, experience, believe, and act. As discussed in the lesson, it's about no power, not willpower. When faced with a shortage of nutrition, the body's chemistry will change until it forces you to eat, no matter how strong your willpower is. Over some time period, this chemistry makes eating an involuntary human reflex. The mechanism by which the body accomplishes this is called hunger. Eventually, given enough time, and if food is available, everyone but the most extreme outlier will eat. You can no more voluntarily stop eating than you can voluntarily stop breathing, your heart from beating, food moving through your digestive tract, blinking, and so on. Hunger will overpower you if you challenge it directly. Hunger also becomes more powerful and pervasive in the presence of flavor-enhanced factory food and bioreactor dysfunction and dysbiosis. The more you overeat factory food, the more sedentary you are, and the further along your bioreactor dysfunction and dysbiosis are, the hungrier you will be for a given nutritional deficit. Hunger is a critical survival system refined over hundreds of thousands of years to force humans to seek nutrition. Throughout the time human biology evolved, food was scarce, the environment was hazardous, and humans were prey to many other creatures. This made food gathering tough work and very dangerous. It took a lot of motivation to leave your safe place, attack animals that could attack you back, and claw food out of the earth. That motivation came from a powerful feeling of hunger that enabled the human species to survive and ultimately thrive. The genes of humans without robust hunger didn't survive to modern times. A powerful hunger is ideally suited to support survival during nutrition scarcity.